The first thing I did was just grab one of these foam board from Dollar Tree, and then I went ahead and grabbed 4 of these mirrors just like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on the foam board. So I'm gonna line them up. First I'm gonna line up the one on top just like that. Then I'm gonna take another one and put it on the side, and then I'm gonna do the other one at the bottom. So it's gonna be two on the side and then one on the bottom, one on the top like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create my shape. Once I'm done fixing and creating my shape, I'm just going to go ahead and grab a pencil, and I'm going to hold the mirror down, and then I'm going to go ahead and trace it out just like that. I'm going to continue doing this, and make sure to keep holding each mirror every time you go to the other side so it won't move around and it will be straight. So just go ahead and continue tracing your mirrors until you are done tracing the whole shape. Then once you're done tracing the whole shape, just going to go ahead and remove all your mirrors just like that, and then it's going to give you the shape that you want. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my knife, and I'm gonna start cutting it. To cut it, make sure to press it down all the way very hard, and then just go straight and trace it out. So you're going to continue doing this until you can cut the whole shape out. Once you cut the whole shape out, it will turn out just like this. And in this part, what you're going to do is just grab the mirrors, put some hot glue at the back just like that, and then go ahead and place it on the top of the shape just like that. Place it on top the same way that you display it at the beginning before we cut it out. We're going to do the same thing here and put it the same way. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue attaching all my mirrors just like that on the side as well. Then just go ahead, put a little bit of hot glue, then attach it in place, hold it down so it get attached good just like that. Then go ahead and place your other mirror at the bottom of the part, and just make sure to line them up with the foam board just like that so you don't have a gap out. So you're just gonna go ahead and continue doing that until you attach all 4 mirrors in the foam board just like that, and it will turn out a cute little shape just like that. Then I went ahead and took this rhyme. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. So I'm gonna just cut 2 because it's not that big, and I'm gonna attach it to the bottom part of the mirror just like that, and the foam board. So I'm just gonna put it at the bottom to cover the foam board, and it will give you that extra cute look. So just go ahead and attach it. Use your hot glue to attach it, and then go all the way around and attach it just like that. Just continue doing that until you are done with the whole thing. Once you're done with attaching the whole thing, I'm just going to go ahead and take some hot glue and attach your flowers. And here I chose 2 flowers. You could choose any color that you would like. It doesn't even matter. Then just place it one pink, one blue, whatever color you're doing, and alternate, and it will come out like a little star. Super cute. I love how these turn out. Then put your candle holder on each side, or you could leave it without it. I will show you at the end how it look both ways that I did it. Then place your cup and your candle inside, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is how it look without the candle holder, just on the cup, and it turned out so beautiful and cute. And this is on the daytime, and this is how it looks with the candle holder. And it's up to you however you want to use it. You could use it with white candle, you could use it with this floating candle. It's up to you how you would like it. Then I also use it to display my cookie. You can also display cupcake here. It's up to you however you want to use it. I just know it turns out beautiful, and I hope you guys can make it as well. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to follow and comment down below letting me know what you guys think.